A Boynton Beach man has filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against a South Carolina county and sheriff's department after he says he was wrongfully arrested, jailed, and prosecuted. They accused him of trafficking fentanyl after an inaccurate field drug test identified his medication for IBS as illegal drugs. Jade Jarvis joins us in the studio with more about the case and new body camera video from the man's arrest. Jade?
Well, Tiffany, Brian Getches and his attorney say he was humiliated and suffered physical pain and mental anguish after being accused of trafficking drugs, which later proved to not be the truth.
Okay.
Once again, I'm very nervous.
I understand that, but most pills don't look like that, so we're going to test them, okay?
He was pulled over in a routine traffic stop that turned out to be anything but routine. His whole life was changed in one moment.
This is body camera video from Brian Getches' arrest in Greenwood County, South Carolina in May 2024. Getches, who was from Boynton Beach, was visiting his mother when he was pulled over by sheriff's deputies for allegedly swerving between lanes. Deputies then learned his license was suspended, and Getches allowed them to search his car, where they found a prescription bottle full of his IBS medication.
The cop says to me, these look like pressed pills. And the cop goes on to tell me how he pressed pills himself, and he knows what a pressed pill looks like.
Getches' attorneys say the deputy Googled the prescription and found that everything checked out, but proceeded with a field test they say is known to be unreliable.
He comes back a second time, and he says it tested positive for fentanyl.
Getches was arrested, charged with trafficking fentanyl, and jailed for 15 days. He was eventually placed on house arrest for 7 months and then forced to wear an ankle monitor for another 9 as they waited for further test results.
SLED's backlog, which is thousands of backlog cases on drug tests, reveals that the medicine that Brian knew was medicine was actually medicine. Even after they revealed that the medication is medication, the prosecutors still try to get him to accept a plea deal for possession, knowing that he did not possess any drug.
All charges were eventually dropped, but Getches and his attorneys say his life and reputation were ruined as a result of the false field test results, and he was forced to spend tens of thousands of dollars fighting the charges.
They treated me like I was the biggest piece of trash on earth from the second they pulled up. And I feel for all the other people in this county who are being treated like this, because it's a problem, and it's a huge problem if they think this is going to fix anything.
Getches and his attorneys believe he is entitled to damages to compensate him for his pain and suffering. Greenwood County released a statement saying that they have not yet received or reviewed the lawsuit and are unable to comment on the specific allegations. In studio, Jade Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.